Hi, this is the assembly guide for the monitor Razer that I have designed. So I'll be demonstrating to you how to assemble one of the four corners. The finished product will look like this. And let's start with the assembly. So each corner will require 11 printed parts. The first layer is this small piece right here. You need to align it properly and this will fit right in. Now next is the small piece right here. It looks like a bridge. So you need to find the groove in the center of the X we just assembled, and it will slide right in. The bigger piece over here, also align the grooves. So this piece will have a flat platform, and this is the small tail behind. Piece is this. You will see two grooves in front, and we'll align it. And okay, so match it with these two, align it in the center, and next will be this. You will need to see the three grooves, so it will fit something like this, and you need to press it in. Okay, now it's seated properly. Next is the biggest piece right here, so you need to align them properly. Lastly, you'll be left with these three. So this one is at the right. See this groove right here, one on the left, then the last one which is in the center. Okay, so this is the full assembly of one of the four corners.